In this video, I will show you how to create this amazing custom bar chart which show you the percentage as well as the actual value. Now for the same data source, we can create pie chart, but look at the pie chart, how difficult we are facing to read the data label. So how we can create this amazing chart in Excel as well as in Google Sheet, I will show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have this data sheet. The first thing we need to create 3 helper column. Now I will click on C2 cell, simply type equal. Click on B2 cell, divide by, simply type sum function, open parenthesis, select all of column B values, hit F4 key to log the reference, close parenthesis, hit enter. Click on C2 again, apply the percentage format. In this case, I want 1 decimal point. And now simply drag this formula down. For the remaining percentage, I will click on D2 cell, type equal 1 minus, click on C2 cell, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula down. Now we need to build a custom formula for data label, so I will simply click on C2 cell, type equal, define text function, open parenthesis, click on B2 cell, hit comma. For the format, in this case, I will simply type quotation mark, hash quotation mark, close parenthesis, %, quotation mark, 1 space, quotation mark again, %. And now we need to define another text function for percentage. For the value, I will click on C2 cell, hit comma, and for the format, I will simply type 0.0 percentage, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now our data label formula is ready, but we are facing a little bit difficulty in reading the percentage. So I will click on E2 cell again. After quotation mark, I will simply type open parenthesis, hit space button. After percentage, simply type space, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now our percentage look perfect. I will simply drag this formula down. The next thing, I will simply select all of the name, hold Control key and simply select column C and B. Click on Insert Recommended Chart, All Chart. Click on Bar Chart. In this case, I will insert Stack Bar Chart and simply hit OK. Now we need to do a little bit formatting. The first thing, I will a little bit increase the width of this chart. In this case, I will click on legend and simply hit delete key. Click on horizontal x-axis and simply hit delete key. Click on this plus button and off the grid line. Now simply click any of the bar, right click, format data series. For the gap width, in this case, I will simply define 10%. Since I already select orange bars, I will click on format, shape fill. In this case, I will assign this light gray color. The next thing, we need to apply data label. So I will apply data label on this gray bar, not on this blue bar. Click on this plus button, apply data label, more data label option. Click on label option, uncheck the value, click value from cell and simply select from E2 to let's say E9. Hit OK. For the label position, I will simply select inside base. Click on home, increase the font size a little bit more, make it bold and select the dark black color. The next thing, if you want to reverse these x-axis, simply click on vertical x-axis, right click, format x-axis. Here you can see category in reverse order. Simply check this one and now all of our category in reverse order. Now of course, if you want to change the color of each of the bar, simply click on the blue bar, click again and it will only select the first bar. Click on format. For the shape fill, in this case, let's say I'm going to select this orange. After a little bit of work, this is how we can create this amazing chart in Microsoft Excel. I hope you learned something useful and now I will show you how to create similar chart in Google Sheet. Now we are in Google Sheet and I will show you how to create the similar chart in Google Sheet. Simply hold Control key and select column A value and now simply select column C and D. Click on Insert, click on Chart and now I will change the chart type to let's say Stack Bar Chart. The next thing, I will click on legend and simply hit delete key. Click on this grid line and here you can see a check mark. Simply uncheck this one. Click on horizontal x-axis. For the text color, I will simply choose white font color. Since there is no way to delete the horizontal x-axis, click on vertical x-axis. For the text color, I will choose the dark black color. Now click on this red bar. For the fill color, I will simply choose this light gray color. Now click on this blue bar. Scroll a little bit to the bottom side, apply data label, and here you can see label position. In this case, I need to select outside end. In Microsoft Excel, we don't have option to show data label outside end for stack bar chart or stack column chart. Now I will click any of the blue bar, click again, and it will only select the first bar. For the fill color, let's say I'm going to choose this color. Click on next bar and simply change the color whatever you want. After a little bit of work, this is how we can create similar chart in Google Sheet. I hope you learned something useful and enjoyed this video. If you have any specific question, just write me comment. Thank you so much.